Welcome back to another video. Today we have the C300 W204. It's in for a Service B. And if you guys don't know what a Service B is, it's basically a tune-up in like Mercedes language. So we'll be doing an oil change, replacing the oil filter, replacing the air filters. Hey, why not? We're there already. Let's go ahead and replace these spark plugs as well. We're gonna go ahead and top off all the fluids and then reset the odometer. Now before we start, why pay somebody to do this work for you when you could do it yourself? It's not that hard, very easy. I'll show you guys how to do it. You're gonna save yourself a lot of money on labor for sure. All right, let's go ahead and remove the beauty covers. We're gonna actually start with the spark plugs first, then the filters, then we do the oil change last. Carefully. Same thing, just push it down a little bit. Then we remove the top one. Alright, we'll be working on the passenger side first, bank one. Here are the coil packs. There's the connector. Press down on the tab and pull out. You'll need a T30 for the screws. First, crack them open with a ratchet. If you have a power tool, just be careful not to strip the bolts. Alright guys, this coil pack was stuck in there. I thought I was going to break this out, but it was really in there. So this is cylinder 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, those spark plugs that I pulled out were not in the best shape. They got oil residue everywhere. Here are the replacement spark plugs. I went with the Bosch OE. Go ahead and install them right now. Quick thing as well, these don't have to be gapped. They are already pre-gapped. I was actually looking at this coil pack and the boot at the bottom, and this looks like a very cheap version of a cheap coil pack. Do not buy this kind of stuff. Stay away from cheap stuff. Get the OEM or get something similar to OEM. Otherwise, you'll have the same issue as I had where the coil pack got stuck into the spark plug. That should never happen. Now we're gonna connect the connectors. We're gonna go ahead and repeat that for the driver's side. Guys, make sure your holding clip is properly aligned to your cover, okay? Make sure, don't forget that. Alright guys, correction, this car does take 7.4 quarts. It's all reading where it should be. Cleaned up the oil filter housing. I double checked my work. Everything looks good, no leaks. Let's go reset the odometer. Alright, we got the car on. Have a scanner tool. Alright guys, I was able to figure this out. I did reset the Service B5. It's not on the cluster anymore, so it's now reading next service A and 365. So we are all good. I don't have any messages here. If we scroll in there, you won't see anything. The only thing you do see in there is the tire pressure and the front left side marker. That's it. So we are done here. And that wraps it up for this video. We have done the Service B. We changed the oil. We replaced the oil filter, the air filter. We did some spark plugs. We also have a video coming up as well, so stay tuned. Make sure to hit the bells. That way you get notified when the video will be out. And again, guys, if you found this video or enjoy this video, please hit the like, subscribe. There's a lot of people watching the video, but they're not subscribing. So if you can do me that favor, I would really appreciate you guys. And again, I will see you on the next video.